Soon after Bill Chayakin votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Nah. Smoke ganja and drink coconut, yeah man. Me rise up early when the sun just kiss. Barefoot pants and no place me miss. Coconut tree stretch to the sky. Me sit underneath and me reason why. No need for riches or flashy show. Me treasure the moment, let blessings flow. Me have me ganja, me have me drum. Me have Jah love, me kingdom come. Under the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like morning mist. Every puff, a holy twist. Drum beat like heart inside. Rasta vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside of me. Babylon call, but me nah pick up. Me sipping coconut from nature cup. Them chase vanity, me chase peace. Them want power, me want release. Me woman dancing in the breeze. She wear no makeup, just natural ease. We sing a song of ancient tone. Rasta family, we not alone. Me hear the ocean talk to me soul. Say youth man stay firm and whole. Me look to the sky, me give thanks for life. Through all the struggle and all the strife. Me no stress but the news them bring. Me build strength while the bird them sing. Under the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like morning mist. Every puff, a holy twist. Drum beat like heart inside. Rasta vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside of me. Children laugh in a yard, pure joy. No war, no hate, no ply. Me teach them truth through reggae style. With love and rhythm, we reconcile. Me play me guitar with humble hands. Chant a melody, fi heal the lands. Me nah judge, skin or creed. Me only follow Jah word and deed. Me take a walk when the moon is high. Stars guide me like prophecy sky. Me see me ancestors in the flame. Them whisper songs, them call me name. Them say chant for justice, chant for love. Chant the truth from up above. Me nah follow trend or hype. Me follow Rasta, me trod it right. At the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like morning mist. Every puff, a holy twist. Drum beat like heart inside. Rasta vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside of me. sit on the rock, blaze up me green. Me eye them closed, but me soul awake. Every leaf a message, every breeze a break. No city nice, no concrete jail. Only bird chant and natural trail. Me dreadlocks long, me heart stay light. Me chant rhythm through the day and night. Let the Rasta river flow, wash away this stress and woe. In our roots and rhythm we trust, leave the worry in our dust. Let the music carry we high, like the herbs and the endless sky. Zion echoes echo deep, in the river of soul we leap. Me bun me spliff with reverence. This herb is no decadence. It open me mind, me spirit fly. I see Jah face inna the sky. Meditation pan a stone so cold, but me heart warm, me spirit bold. Me no need no fancy gold, just a drum, a chant, a story told. Me no run from the system no more. Me walk past it, open the door. Nature teach more than any man, and Riddim guide like divine plan. Let the Rasta river flow, wash away this stress and woe. In our roots and rhythm we trust, leave the worry in our dust. Let the music carry we high, like the herbs and the endless sky. Zion echoes echo deep, in the river of soul we leap. Me reason with me elders pan a moonlight night. Them say youth man, stay in a delight. This life hard, but music sweet. Chant your truth and feel the beat. So me write down words like holy text. Sing for peace, never vexed. Every chorus a healing prayer. Every verse a lion's lair. Me see the youths lost in fun like glare, but I call them to the forest air. Tell them put down Babylon screen. Come feel the love in the tambourine. No judgment here, just harmony. Reggae vibes and prophecy. Let the Rasta river flow, wash away this stress and woe. With one drop beat and ancient tone, me find my path, me find me own. Let the chalice bubble slow, meditation start to glow. Zion echoes in a me chest, Rasta life me truly blessed. Flow, river flow, carry the soul where love can grow. Roots man chant from dusk till dawn. Rasta rise when Babylon gone. Zion echoes, we not fade, we trot forward, unafraid dead people.
Na 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 na. Dreadlock swing in your man. What that? Nightfall come, me sit alone. Stars above, me far from phone. One drop beat, me thoughts them slow. Inhale deep and let it go. Chalice in a hand, me close me eyes. Me mind drift to the endless skies. No noise, no war, no city fight. Just Jah light and peaceful night. Fire flicker in a moonlight breeze. Me soul exhale, me spirit ease. Ganja scent wrap round me dome. Me body here but me mind gone roam. One drop dreaming float away. Ganja bless, me feel rebirth. Me hear the rhythm in me vein. Each heartbeat drum like jungle rain. Me no need no riches or gold chain. Just me plant me drum and nature playing. Every puff a step more near to the inner world me hold so dear. Birds still sing in a distant tree. Even them feel Jah energy. Me thoughts them dance in harmony to ancient sound and melody. One drop dreaming, blaze the fire. Rasta chant, me soul rise higher. Me no sleep, me levitate. Me float pan rhythm and meditate. Me leave behind all worldly game. Me hold to love, me call Jah name. The ganja plant, it lead me way. One drop drum, a guide me stay. Silence loud like thunder roll. When me listen deep inside me soul. No distraction, no illusion. Just me heart in sweet fusion. Me sight a vision, glowing bright. Of Zion hills and morning light. Me chant of psalms, me feel the breeze. Me soul now sailing across the seas. Every leaf a sacred sign. Every breath a link divine. No clock, no pressure, only flow. Me drift where only Rasta know. Me walk alone, but me never alone. Jah there with I, me skin to bone. Me spirit dance, me footstep bless. No more fear, no more stress. Me roll another, me eyes half closed. Like mystic priest in sacred robes. The rhythm guide me thoughts align. Me swim through space and cosmic time. Me no run from Babylon, no. Me just float, me eye like cloud. Me voice a prayer, me words a key. Unlock the soul, set me free. One drop dreaming, stars me bed. Reggae rhythm in me head. Me now wake till morning rise. Me drifting deep through moonlit skies. Urban heartbeat blending one. Me soul a spark beneath your sun. Me no escape, me elevate. Me live, me love, me meditate. Na na na, chamba with coconut, yeah man. Early morning, me still rest on hills. Me light up the fire, me soul it fills. The chalice pass round like sacred rite. Me eyes closed tight, me spirit take flight. Me no smoke for hype, me smoke for ear. Jah whisper truth right in a me ear. Each draw a prayer, each puff a chant. Me reason deep in ganja plant. Me sit pon rock under mango tree. Me hear the ancestors talk to me. Me breathe in love, exhale me pain. Me mind now float like healing rain. Welcome to the Ganja Temple, where the smoke rise up so gentle. Meditation deep like drum. Rasta heart, here I come. Sacred flame and sacred herb. Me chant me psalms, me soul disturb. No stress, no war, no fight. Just higher reasoning in the night. Me roll me spliff with reverence. It teach me patience, teach me sense. No rush, no haste, no greed. Just balance roots and what me need. Me see me life in clearer way. Me give thanks more every day. Me see me brethren as myself. Me value vibes more than wealth. The herb reveal the inner sight. Me dreams become me guide. guiding light, and in a silence me overstand. Jah never leave, Jah hold me hand. Welcome to the Ganja Temple, where the rhythm slow and mental. Drum and bass them chant along, each note a healing holy song. Sacred herb, me heart align. It bridge the space between flesh and divine. No Babylon inside this space, only love and Jah grace. The night come down like velvet shawl. Me sit in circle, me brethren call. We reason deep till morning light. We burn the herb, we seek insight. The stars align, my mind expand. Me walk through Zion in a sand. No church roof can hold this vibe. The sky above, me real tribe. Me chant me name, me chant me fate. Me no worry, me no wait. In ganja smoke, me vision born. Me rise again each blessed morn. Me no need palace or gold ring. Me find me truth in simple thing. A little fire, ganja leaf, a reasoning full of soul relief. Me and a herb for what it do. It bring me close to what is true. No pills, no doctors for me mind. Just natural smoke and Jah design. Me share me weed, me share me light, me share me joy in the night. And when me leave this earthly shell, me spirit rise, me soul rebel. Me soul rebel. Ganja Temple, sacred ground. Me soul it rise with every sound. Me chant, me blaze, me elevate. Me link with Jah, me resonate. So build a fire, pass it round. Let peace and unity be found. This ritual, me daily bread. Me burn the herb, me soul be fed.
Smoke a spliff in the morning, yeah man.
Me rise up early, sun kiss me face. Blessed morning in a holy place. Me step barefoot on earth so green. Ganja leaf, step on the scene. Me give thanks for the breath me take, for the life and every move me make. Me brew me tea from roots and bark. Me chant a song when the rooster's back. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In this life me nah need no gold, just nature, music and truths untold. Rasta morning sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Me plant me food, me till me land. Me hold the drum with a steady hand. Me woman bring fruits from the tree. She is natural, just like me. No fake smile, no plastic vibe. We live clean, love deep and thrive. No rush life, no clock fi bind. Me time flow in Jah time. Me look to the hills, me see me dream. Me hear ancestors pon the mountain stream. Them guide me steps when the world get loud. Them lift me spirit from beneath the cloud. Me chant them names and me keep them near. Me walk with courage, never fear. Me meditate and the vision clear. Me know who me is, me mission here. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In this life me nah need no gold, just nature, music and truths untold. Rasta morning sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Me sit on stone beside me drum. Me heart beat like a lion come. Me light one spliff fi cleanse me mind. Me see the signs, me used to blind. The children run, them laugh and play. Them carry the sun into the day. Me teach them truth, me show them peace. Me show them how love never cease. Herb is me sacrament, me meditation tool. Me burn it in a silence or by the stream pool. No violence, no hate. Me chant for love, me answer to guidance from Jah above. Me nah follow fashion or Babylon pace. Me find me rhythm in a Rasta grace. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in a every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In a this life me nah need no goal. Just nature, music and truths untold. Rasta morning sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Oh, morning light pan Rasta face. Peace and love in a sacred space. Me praise the sun, me bless the rain. Me live for joy, not chase no gain. Rasta morning, light and clear. Rasta morning, Jah is near. Na 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 na. Rasta man smoke ash all ya man. Yeah. Me step light on the road so cool. Inna the mist, me story unfold. Me wear no crown but me heart is gold. Me chant truths that Babylon soul. Me face hidden but me soul shine bright. Me trod slow through the darkest night. No need for rage, no need for war. Me power is silence, me vision is far. Inna the shadows, me remain still. Listening to Jah, bending me will. Them can't see me, them can't trap. Me leave no trail, me set no map. Me a lion inna the mist. Walking quiet but me fist resist. Me no roar unless me must. My voice come clean like ancient dust. Me no fight with teeth, me fight with light. Inna the mist, me hold my mind. Me third eye open wide like moon. Me learn Jah time, me nah move too soon. Me see deception, me feel the fear. But me walk with no worry near. Me urban sacred fi guide my pace. Me meditate in a sacred space. Me reason deep with stars above. Me hold the vibes, me spread the love. Them look for me in a obvious place. But me trod deeper in a Zion grace. Me no play a game, me no play a man. Me live for roots, me live for plan. All up, me silent like sunrise over sea. Me strong like drum, steady and free. Them think me soft, them think me gone. But me still stand long after storm. All up, me chant low under mystic moon. Me sing for the ones who rise up soon. Me no boast, me no show the flame. But me fire deep, and it can't tame. Me a lion inna the smoke, speaking riddle, never joke. Me teach with rhythm, heal with song. Me walk in silence, stand my ground. Me no need crowd, for know me gift. Me rise and shine through Babylon drift.
whisper code through roots of trees. Them say lion, no lose your calm. Your roar is the storm before the balm. Me light up chalice, me give Jah praise. Me mind elevating holy blaze. Me remember all the fight them fought. Me carry it now in me thought. This is for every youth in the yard. Hold your ground when life gets hard. Me speaking metaphor, moving grace. Leave Babylon without trace.
As my fear in a fog, my strength remain like roots in soil after the rain. My lion spirit can't be killed. My fire not the mist still build. Cool.
No smoker. Split with Zion reggae. Up in the hills where the moonlight fall, me sit with me thoughts here nature call. No light but the stars them blink above. Me roll one tight with Jah love. Me wrap me dread like lion crown. Me spirit levitate, me soul not drown. Me chant up psalm, me heart beat slow. In the silence the real truth show. Starlight over Zion, me guide in the dark. Me follow Jah fire like Moses spark. Ganja smoke rise like prayer in breeze. Me feel Jah whisper in the rustling trees. Every step is a sacred rite, treading higher through the mystic night. Starlight lead me, Jah be me light. Zion echo flow infinite. Me walk through grass tall like me faith. Each blade sing a song about life and faith. Them Babylon light, them flicker and fade, but the stars shine truth, undiluted and afraid. Me chant for the youth, them lost in stress. For them who hustle but get no rest. Me send out frequency high and clean, like a trumpet blow in a holy dream. No riches in a pocket but me heart full. Me mind sharp, me senses full. Me sight Babylon, tricks and lies. Them build prison with sugar coated ties. But me not yet, me elevate. Me create sound, feel liberate. From Zion echo come healing balm. Reggae the sword and love the car. Starlight over Zion, me guide in the dark. Me follow Jah fire like Moses spark. Ganja smoke rise like prayer in breeze. Me feel Jah whisper in the rustling trees. Every step is a sacred rite, treading higher through the mystic night. Starlight lead me, Jah be me light. Zion echo flowing infinite. Me sit by river where cold wind blow, and watch how the rhythm of the water flow. It teach me patience, teach me grace. Me see me reflection and find me place. Me na run down fast, food love. Me build connection from roots above. Me woman beside me, natural queen. No fake, just real love, pure and clean. One spliff, one drum, one breath. Every night a rebirth, no death. Me see spirit in the owl's flight. Me reason deep in the heart of night. Rasta not sleep when wisdom call. Me write down visions and lumpen wall. Starlight over Zion, me guide in the dark. Me follow Jah fire like Moses spark. Ganja smoke rise like prayer in breeze.
Soaring higher through the mystic night. Starlight lead me, Jah be me light. Zion echo flowing infinite. Oh, starlight guide me home. Zion road me roam alone. My spirit light like a morning breeze. Roots strong like 1,000 trees. Starlight over Zion. Starlight over Zion.
Na na na, dawaj krytykacja, wojska. Pack me bag, me roll one tight. Irie morning, the sunshine bright. Me jump in a van, baseline strong. Roots highway, me ride along. Me destination just forward way. No worry, no clock, just Jah today. From Kingston Hills to Portland breeze, me drive with the rhythm, me soul at ease. On the Roots highway, me ride with me spliff and Riddim by me side. Me carry love, me drop distress. In this Livity, me manifest. Me foot steady, me heart stay true. Jah guide the way, me always knew. From town to bush, me spirit fly. Pon the Roots highway, me testify. Me pass youths pan roadside sell. Them eyes still bright, though life not swell. Me honk and wave, me send them light. Cause me know this world not always right. But me not dwell in pain too long. Me turn it to fire, me turn it to song. Me chant, me reason, me plant the seed. Rasta ride with faith, not greed. Me stop fi coconut, ital stew. Me link me bread and me whole of you. Me light up chalice under tree. Sweet smoke rise and me soul feel free. No rush, me take me time. Me life a poem, me words a rhyme. Every mile teach me more. Each turn me open a higher door. Pon the Roots highway me roll. Me ride for the young and the old. Me bring vibration high and clean. Like mountain spring, me keep it green. Me burn down hate, me spread some love. Me chant to Jah who watch from above. Me ride the rhythm like tidal wave. Me spirit bold, me heart not cave. Me link a sister in a Negril side. She tell me stories of what she hide. Me say release it, let Jah hear. Cause every tear is strength fi bear. Me meet a elder in a Clarendon. Him tell me of Marcus and revolution. Me soak the words like roots soak rain. Me ride with wisdom, not in vain. Sun a set now, sky on fire. Me feel the night and still inspire. Me light me spliff one more again. And sing me truth in soft refrain. Stars above, the silent sweet. Me heartbeat sync with Nyabingi beat. Me give thanks for every turn. Cause even through dark me spirit burn. Pon the Roots highway me glide. With good vibes as me only guide. Me nah need riches, nah need gold. Me carry roots, me carry soul. Me travel light, me travel wide. With reggae spirit as me ride. Me live it real, me joy stay high. Panja highway me reach the sky. Roots highway carry I home. Smoke in the wind, no more roam. Me ride the rhythm, me chant alone. Till Zion call, me reach me zone. na na, dawaj kutika sia, Vajska. Na 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 na. No bill and no stress, ganja health my soul, yeah man. Raindrops fall on the zinc rooftop. We roll me spliff and not stop. Me girl asleep on me chest so warm. Thunder roar but me all are calm. The fire inside still blaze so bright. Even though the sky lose light, ganja scent and loving eyes. We float away under stormy skies. No makeup, no show, no lie, just her and I. Real vibes high, the drops of rain I wash me clean. We love more deep than any dream. Roots in the rain, love still grow. Even when the wind a blow, Rasta heart and Empress soul, together strong, together whole. Drip drop fall, we still feel peace. She hold me tight, and when release, Jah plant the seed, the love it stay. Roots in the rain, no fade away. We cook vital food on fire coal. Coconut stew, warm me soul. Me Empress laugh when me sing off key, but still she say she love me melody. We talk about Zion, talk about dreams, about little youths and river streams. Me roll the herb while she chant a psalm. Rain still fall but the vibes stay calm. Even in thunder Jah love remain. Even in hardship we never complain. A simple life but rich in sound. With each heartbeat me love rebound. Roots in the rain, keep them go. From mountain top to valley low. Me hold her hand, she hold me heart. One love flow, we never part. Rain on roof, but light within. The herb and she a cure me sin. No diamond ring, but me soul she claim. Together we stand in Zion name. She plant basil, me plant thyme. The garden grow in just time. Each drop of rain, a blessing come. Each thunder clap, a holy drum. She dance barefoot on muddy ground. Laugh like breeze and spin around. We sit and watch with grateful eye. Thankful for love, me can't deny. She no need gold, she no need throne. She make me hot, feel like home. Na na na, Jah bless the people, yeah man. Me wake with sun on me face. Chalice ready in sacred place. Roots man heart, me nah lose pace. Me walk with Jah, me move in grace. First light hit and me light the flame. Me burn the herb, me call Jah name. Me no smoke fi run away. Me smoke fi clear me inner way. Earth provide this plant of peace. A sacrament we never cease. Me connect with wind and tree. This meditation sets I free. Mystic herb in a chalice burn. Teach the soul and make it learn. Inna the smoke, me vision clear. Jah whisper truths, me love fi hear. Burn it slow, no rush the vibe. Ganja guide, the Rasta tribe. Me sit on hill, me eye them red. Me mind so clean, me spirit fed. This a healing, this a light. roots man higher flight. Oh, me no need no doctor pill. This green leaf give natural thrill. Me connect with stars, me float pan sky. Me meditate and feel Janai. From Ethiopia to Westmoreland, this sacred herb come from Jaan. Them try fi ban it, try fi shame, but still the fire remain the same. Oh, inhale love, exhale fear. Feel the presence, Jah is near. Inhale peace, exhale hate. Mystic herb, open chant. Me not chase hype, me chase stillness. Me life a dub, me breath a witness. Every pull a deeper thought. Every exhale show what Jah brought. Mystic herb in a chalice burn. Soul get wisdom every turn. Ganja speaking holy code. Rasta walk that righteous road. Green like hope, soft like breeze. Bring the Babylon to its knees. Me no puffy style or trend. Me puffy truth will never end. Me no flex pan screen or stage. Me flex with roots man ancient rich. Me garden full, me and them clean. Me grow the herb like African queen. It nurture me like mountain spring. Me chant a let the naya bingy ring. This herb no make me slack or slow.
Banana ganja in a Vito struck your mom. Morning dew on me skin, sun arise like the fire we burn deep within. Me stretch out me hand to the east with a prayer. Jah guide me steps, me spirit in a clear air. Me roll a next spliff, give thanks for the light. Me inhale wisdom, exhale fright. No worry pon me chest, no pain me a feel. Just loving on me blood and a heart we real. Lion heart meditation, me not stress no more. Me sit in a silence while Babylon roar. Smoke rise like spirit in a sacred flame. Rasta nah run, Rasta claim him name. Lion heart meditation, calm like the sea. Me soul in tune with the breeze and tree. From hills to the valley, me message spread. Me chant down fear, me lift up head. Me hear the ancestors whisper in a wind. Live right youth, don't follow sin. Them voice soft but powerful like drum. Each beat remind me where me come from. Me nah need crown or title or fame. Me treasure me peace more than name. Me chalice full, but me heart full of still. Me learn say silence teach more than skill. Jah, and me drift to higher plane. Me feel the love, wash me like rain. All the stress made like candle flame. Me no chase dollar, me no seek fame. Me chant by river, me walk through field. Me soul armored, Jah is me shield. Them can't reach high when me meditate. Them words fall flat, me levitate. Lion heart meditation, deep in a eye. Me spirit fly free like bird in sky. Me no lock up in a steel and chain. Me free from illusion, me free from pain. Me pot bubble up with pumpkin and roots. Me feet firm planted like tree with fruits. Me nah sip poison, me sip on tea from ganja bush and that neem tree. Me chant psalms in a twilight breeze. Me kneel in style, me pray with ease. The city cold, but the hillside warm. Me blessed by the sun, me protected from harm.
Ganja in a palm, it open my mind. Me see through illusion, me no longer blind. Them demon in a suit can't trick me again. Me read the signs, me know the pain. Me pass chalice to me brethren near. Each draw a bridge, each puff clear. We reason about life, we reason about soul. Me lyrics and love more precious than gold. Lion heart meditation, echo through night. Me glow in a dark, me carry the light. Lion heart meditation, strength from above. Me walk with the king, me trod with love.
Inhale peace and exhale pain.
Lion heart strong, through sunshine and rain.
Let meditation guide me like ancient flame.
Let me rise with the wind and I call your name.
Ay, 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 ay. Meditating at the Ganja Temple, yeah, man. Ay, 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 ay. Me rise with the sun upon me face. Me hear the drums in a secret place. Barefoot walk through morning dew. Me feel Jah love in all me do. Banana tree and callaloo. Me pick me food, me heart feel true. Me no rush, me take me time. Every step a sacred rhyme. Inna the hills, me start me day. Me chant me thanks and then me pray. Rasta Road, I head so long, but me strong like Naya Bingy song. This a Rasta Road, me trod alone, but me spirit carry home. Ganja burn, me thoughts align. Every step a link to divine. Sacred path, no shortcut here. Me forward with no doubt or fear. Me heart it drum, me soul it sing. In every breeze, me feel Jah King. Me meet a elder under fig tree. Him say, son, the road no free. You have to keep your soul intact, no matter how the world react. Him pass me chalice, me take a draw. Me vision clear, me overstand law. Not the law of man, but of nature true. Of balance roots and sky so blue. Me reason deep with ancient man. Him story stretch like desert sand. Him speak of struggle, him speak of peace, of how the herb brings soul release. This a Rasta Road, me trod in love, guided by the stars above. It no easy, it no quick, but every mile me spirit pick. Every leaf a sacred sign, every stone a message divine. Me travel light, but me carry flame of Jah love, me chant him name. Night fall pon the hills again. Me build a fire, me ease me brain. Me draw my pipe and look to sky, and hear the wind start testify. Me child it whisper, hold your way. Keep firm and never stray. Me close me eyes and float inside. The universe now be me guide. Me dreams like rivers flow and bend. This journey it will never end. No destination, just vibration. A soul immersed in meditation. no eat no flesh, me mind stay clean. Me whole a joy that can't be seen. It don't come from wealth or pride, but from peace me feel inside. Me wash me locks in mountain stream. Me live me truth, me hold me dream. Each sunrise bring a brand new song. Me know this road will make me strong. Me chant alone, but not in vain. Me voice is echo in Jah name. Each heartbeat drum, each breath a tone. Me walk through Zion all alone. This a Rasta Road, me blaze it bright. Me soul a torch, me steps a light. No fame me seek, just irie ground where freedom's roots and love about. Ganja smoke rise to the moon. Me soul it dance to ancient tune. Me journey long but me never tire. Me footsteps chant like Naya Bingi fire.
Hey, chocolate ash na me coco, yeah man. Me open me eye with the rising sun. Steam in a kettle, me day just begun. Me chant a psalms with the humble tone. Cause me know say Jah never leave me alone. Me step out barefoot pan a sacred land. Me feel the blessing from Jah own hand. Me hold me herb, me roll it slow. A meditation before me go. Steam rise up like the soul from fire. Me connect with life, me reach up higher. Spirit pure like spring-fed stream. Me blaze and float in a conscious dream. No rush, no race, no fear me show. Me roots deep down where true love grow. Steam and spirit, smoke and sky. Me reason with Jah as time roll by. Me walk in a bush with a staff in hand. Me pick me herbs from blessed land. Me sister smile and wave from field. She reap what Jah and nature yield. Me sit under tree, me grind me leaf. I tell food cool, me soul find relief. Me light the chalice with holy flame and call upon Jah name, not in vain.
Herb is me prayer, me meditation. Natural doctor, no need prescription. Me burn the fire with love and peace. Me have a chant, fi war to cease. Rasta na promote no vanity. Me build up heart with clarity. Me use each breath fi truth and right. Me walk with Jah, me walk with life.
My time stew bubble in a K-pot. Me no eat that, me no touch rat. From earth to pot, me give me praise. Me full me belly, me mind it raise. Me teach me youth the sacred way. No poison tongue, no system play. We chant at dusk, we rise at dawn. For every lion, a lamb is born. Me link me brother by a riverside. We burn a spliff and reason wide. Both universe and time and soul. Both Ojala is the only goal. He tell me tales from ancient time of kings and queens in sacred line. Me realize me crown is taught, and every man must battle fought. Steam rise up, carry me high above the matrix, beyond the sky. Me free me mind, me cleanse me fear. Jah voice me always hear. So me ride with Riddim, plant me seed. Live in truth, not in greed. Steam and spirit, fire and flow. With Rasta Livity me grow.
Rasta brother is so high, man. Barefoot on the mountain road. Me carry no weight, me drop that load. Me heart clean, me mind so still. Me walk to Zion by Jah will. Me drum a beat from deep inside. Me chant fi make me spirit guide. Each step a prayer, each breath a song. Me know Jah presence all along. Me bona spliff fi clear the way. No worry reach me on this day. Me nah rush, me take it slow. Rasta move with the river flow. Rasta chant on holy land, with staff and herb in a hand. Earth a speak and sky reply. We trod until we reach the high. Oh chant, let Jah spirit plant. Me meet a elder upon the trail. Him eye them deep like mystic tale. Him say youth keep your fire bright. No darkness can out Jah light. Me sight a lion in a grass. It nod like it know me part. Me nah fear no beast or sound. Me walk on sacred ancient ground. Smoke rise from me chillum cup. Wisdom rise, me soul erupt. Me no trod alone, me trod with vice. Each leaf a lesson, each step a choice. Oh, under the tree me sit and chant. River run cool and gallant. Meditation pon the rock. Hear the ticking of Jah clock. Oh, the herb whisper like mountain breeze. The forest dance in silent peace. Me higher self come out to play. Me reason with Jah every day. Rasta chant fi cleanse the soul. Each vibration make me whole. No palace, me nah need throne. Jah kingdom live in flesh and bone. Oh chant, let the fire plant. When the sun sink low on the hills, me light me fire, burn me chills. Stars align like ancient scroll. Jah message deep, me hear it all. Me no use phone, me use moonlight. Me read the sky in Jah own right. Me cook ital, me eat slow. The roots man wisdom always grow. Me rest me head on earth in bed. The forest sing, me not feel dread. Me journey long but spirit high. Me trod till Zion fill the sky. So if you hear me from afar, me voice a light, me word a star. Me not preach, me just reveal the power of love your heart can feel. Rasta chant not just a song. It aware, feel live strong. Smoke the herb, beat the drum. Meditate till kingdom come. Oh.
Oi, 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 Kaya. Smoke with Rasta, yeah, man.
Rise up early, bird a sing. Me walk barefoot, me soul a wing. Me see creation in every leaf. The trees them whisper secret belief. From high the hills, me look below. Babylon still rush, but me move slow. Me no need the noise, me seek the calm. Me hold me chalice like sacred psalm. Roots and remedy, that are the key. In a every drop, me find clarity. Smoke rise up like ancient rite. Guide me soul in a Jah light. Roots and remedy, calm me mind. Heal me wounds from the daily grind. Me not run from pain, me face it wise. Me learn from roots, me grow and rise.
Me cook up ital pan open flame. Me nah eat death, me no play that game. plant in a garden, me reap the truth. Me live off land since me was youth. Me drink sour sop and moringa leaf. Me use herbs fi pain and grief. Them doctor can't sell me no pill. Me already find healing in the hill. Me sit still, listen breeze blow. The wind tell tale from long time ago. Them fight Rasta fi all we back, but we stay firm like tree pan track. Me see through Babylon TV screen, but me stay grounded, me stay clean. Me temple sacred, me chant me sound. Me spirit deeper than any battleground. Roots and remedy, me medicine. Me rise with herbs, me rise within. Smoke surround me like misty veil. Me spirit sail where truth prevail. Me burn a next spliff fi Jah name. Each puff remove illusion and shame. Me no need riches nor vanity, just wisdom and simplicity. Me play me rhythm, me skanking grace. Me find peace in a humble place. Them count gold, me count breath. Each drum me give thanks, feel life not death. Heartbeat drum, me move in trance. Me praise the most high in a every dance. Me crown not made of jewels or steel, but me wear roots like shield and seal. Me chant at night, me float like breeze. Me burn all doubt and live in peace. Me no follow trend or fashion clone. Me style ancient, me stand alone. Roots and remedy, that a me way. Me meditate through night and day. Inna the herb, me find release. Me walk with lion, me tread in peace. Roots and remedy, balance divine. Me hold the herb like sacred sign. No fear, no hate, just melody. Me higher self set, me spirit free.
Ganja, ganja. Ay, ay, ay. Coconut bong. Yeah, man. Sunrise peak through the coconut trees. Me give thanks while me feel the breeze. Me light the herb, me sip me tea. Me mind connect to the Almighty. It's not religion, it's livity true. Me no follow man, me follow Jah view. Bare footsteps pan Mother Earth. Each one sacred, each one worth. Me move with the rhythm of nature. Slow, one breath, one beat. Me livity flow. Me smoke, me chant, me feel Jah near. Me heart beat steady, me soul stay clear. Me flow like river, me rise like smoke. This livity real, it nah no joke. Every draw, me reason deep. Truth in a silence, roots run deep. Under the mango tree me sit and float. Meditation sweet like honey in throat. Me herb sacred, me mind fly far. Me reach places beyond the star. Me chant for healing, chant for peace. Me chant till every illusion cease. Me no worry about the time or race. Me walk in iration, Jah give me grace. Burn the fire not just for smoke, but for awaken the ones who still provoke. Me not judge, me just live wise. Me see true lies with open eyes. Babylon can't cage this art. Me soul free from the very start. Me walk the line that prophets tread. Me reason with ancestors, not what's said. Me flow like a leaf on the riverbed. Me mind elevated, me spirit fed. Me no rush, me let life go. One with the earth. earth, me livity flow. Me journey far, but me still near. Me carry Rasta word loud and clear. From hills of Zion to city lights, me shine me message in a darkest night. Me dreadlocks long like wisdom roots. Each twist carry ancient truths. Me no flex with vanity thing. Me crown full of life, not gold ring. Me no need mansion, me no want fame. Just a utter spliff and your name. Me family, me land, me little sound. Me grow from soil, me hold it down. Me give what me have, me share what me gain. Me livity pure like the morning rain. Rasta no boast, Rasta just live. Me give love, and love me give. Me dance pon the wind, me ride the breeze. Me chant till all Babylon freeze. Me live with roots, me live with soul. Me livity flow forever old. Me move with the moon and the sun above. Me walk in harmony, me walk in love. In every breath, Jah lights me way. Me livity flow each blessed day.
Yeah, Zion. Inna the jungle, yeah man. Me meet ya under moonlight sway. In a corner where the incense play. You had eyes like African storm. Me soul get warm, me heart transform. You ask me if me smoke or pray. Me tell you about every single day. You laugh like thunder, voice like stream. Since that moment me float in dream. Me high on love, not just the herb. You touch me spirit, not just me nerve. We levitate in timeless wave. Like star and fire, Jah children brave. High on love so naturally. You and I in harmony. No illusion, no disguise. Just pure connection in your eyes. We roll one under ancient tree. You chant in tones that set me free. You speak of soul and sacred path. Me laugh so deep, me can't hold back. You move like Riddim in a Naya Bingi. Like drums and winds in ceremony. Me hold your hand, me nah let go. You guide me where me heart can know. Love is not possession, love is flow. It burn like chalice in candle glow. We not own each other, but we align like planets dance in cosmic sign. You are the verse me never wrote. The bassline steady in a me throat. Each kiss a revolution true. Me see Jah light in loving you. Me high on love and that's enough. Even when the road gets rough. With you me rise, with you me fall. We answer only Zion call. Me high on love, pure and clean. More real than any TV screen. We blaze and float, two spirits one. Forever dancing in a sun. We talk about life till morning dew. You whisper truths me never knew. Me write your name in clouds above. Me plant your smile like sacred dove. We sip from cup of fruits and gold. We age together, never old. You and me, a mystic blend. Not just a fling, this not pretend. High on love. Not lust, not mask, not rush, but ancient flame. Soul to soul, name to name. Me feel you even when you far. Like ganja smoke and evening star. High on love, we travel far. In this life and every part. Na na na.
hear the drum of ancestors dance. Them whisper truth in a breeze so fine. Them guide me soul beyond the time. Me nah watch clock, me nah chase fame. Me walk with spirits, them call me name. Me bones remember Africa's soil. Me soul ignite like ancient oil. Me light the chalice, give thanks for breath. Me chant your name till me meet death. Dub of the ancients rise in a smoke. Riddim so deep, it break the yoke. Echoes of Zion, wisdom wide. Me trod this path, me nah go hide. Every bass line is a prayer. Every echo say Jah is near. Thunder drum beat from midnight sky. Lightning flash when me spirit fly. Me walk in vision, me see the past. Me know that truth will always last. From Nile to Kingston, from roots to sky. Me sing for the ones who not ask why. Me step through realm where words can't reach. Me chant through sound, me soul fit teach. Me nah need crown, me nah need stage. Me dub a temple, me mic a sage. Me reach that state where Babylon fear. A peaceful mind, so crystal clear. Me burn up on the sacred fire. Me chant till me soul rise higher. Me link with drum, me chant with breeze. Me talk with trees, me sit at ease. Every note a spell, every skank a sign. Me feel Jah breath between each line. Me no perform, me transform. Me dub is storm, me heart is warm. Dub of the ancients, holy sound. Shake the ground and spin it round. Me voice a river, me word a seed. Me plant in a heart where people need. Dub come deep like morning mist. Heal your mind and clench your fist. Me record Riddim pan stone and air. It echo in cave, it dwell in prayer. Me nah use auto, me use soul. Me chant for youth, for Jah control. Me eye red but me sight divine. Me smoke for Jah, me drink no wine. Me hold vibration, me hold the ground. Me spread truth through dubwise sound. Me hear the cry of Africa's womb. Me chant to clear the fear and gloom. Me no forget the elders fight. Me carry touch, me burn the night. Me dub a spaceship, me mic a drum. Me ride the rhythm till kingdom come. Me sing not just for entertain. Me chant for purge your soul from pain. Me fade in echo, me voice still stare. Me ancient sound can't wash away.